We've reached the point where we have to pass on to the next generation humanity, a civilization that can power itself really without consequence.
We can use the resources that we've been given to create this change.
The energy winners are going to be the ones who figure out how to use advances in science and technology to capture energy from renewable sources like the sun and wind, and then also figure out how to store that energy, store it on a really grand scale.
The cost of solar has come down 80% over the past 5 years or so. Lighting has gone from incandescent to fluorescent to LEDs at 5 watts. We're going to just continue to see great developments.
Game-changing technology that looks at dealing with emissions, improving air quality, and being more energy efficient. Designing our cities to minimize our energy usage.
The technologies will be able to talk to each other, so the amount of generation that we need, for example, is going to be less because we will be able to balance when things get used and when they don't, so we need actually less.
You're going to see electric vehicles really take their place very soon. And I also think that you're going to see a huge change in agriculture and the way in which we use energy in agriculture.
We're just at the beginning of a transformation to a renewable, efficient world.
I mean, we all understand the environmental importance and the urgency to society, but I actually think there's huge wealth to be gained by being the first movers in the clean tech sector.
But it should be that we're engaging the whole community in leadership and ownership and the wealth building opportunity that is presented by the clean energy transition. And the beauty of clean energy is, broadly speaking, it's a distributed architecture. You know, this distributed energy technology avails itself of more community scale enterprises.
I feel like Canada can be at the leading edge of this transformation when the Canadian people apply their ingenuity to it.